Hey, today we're going to install an SEO plugin or a search engine optimization plugin. This is going to help you optimize your site for better search rankings. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the page that this is the plugin that we're going to be installing. It's called SEO WordPress. I really like this plugin. It's easy to use, it's powerful, it's lightweight, and it's the one we're going to install right now. So first thing you want to do is log into your website. So this is a WordPress plugin, so you need a WordPress website. And typically your login page is going to be your domain name, .com or .org or whatever, /wp-login or wp-admin. That will get you to this login page. So once you're on the login page, go ahead and add your username and password information and log right in. So you're at the main dashboard of WordPress at this point, and what we want to do is we want to navigate to the plugins area over here on the left-hand side, and we're going to just install a new one or add new. Go ahead and just click add new. At which point we are going to add the SEO presser. So go over here where the search box is on the right-hand side and just type in SEO press. And enter, and it should show up. Now, there's two plugins, kind of similar names. One's called SEO Press, which is the one we're using. There's also SEO Presser, P-R-E-S-S-O-R. That's not the one we're using. So make sure you install the correct one. At which point right now you just want to, that's it right here, this little blue icon. We're just going to install now. And once it's installed, you always have to activate the plugin. So we want to activate it. So go ahead and just click again, and you will activate it. Once you're done activating, you get redirected to your actual plugins page where all your plugins are listed. And you should be able to just kind of scroll on down. You're going to see SEO Press is right there. You can set it. There's a configuration wizard. We're going to go through the settings and the configuration on this in a later interview, or a later tutorial. But right now you have it installed, and you can see it on the left-hand side down here. Typically at the bottom it says SEO. You can go to a little SEO dashboard. You can see kind of what this looks like right after you install it. So there it is. And it's ready to go. All right, in the next lesson, we will go about configuring and setting this up.